Now we discuss about the new concept, that is geometrical progression. As you know very well, we are discuss about a concept of arithmetic progression. In case of arithmetic progression, the number of terms are increased by the common difference. Means first term is a1, that is equals to a, second term a plus d, third term a plus 2d. Means whenever you want to obtain the new term, you add the common difference into that term and you will get a new term. This is called as the AP. But now we are discuss about the geometrical progression. In case of geometrical progression, the number of terms will be obtained when you multiply with the same ratios. This is the difference between arithmetic progression and geometrical progression. Means you want next term, then it should be multiplied with the common ratio with the previous term. The representation is the same. See this one. The first term is represented by a1, that is equals to a, where a is indicate the first term. Second term represented by a2 is equals to a into r, where r is common ratio. And how can we calculate common ratio? Common ratio is a2 upon a1. a3, if you observe, it is ar square, because what we say, previous term multiplied with common ratio, so ar multiplied with ar. So see this one, this is the previous term ar, previous term multiplied with common ratio, the result become ar square. It is a3. If you discuss about a4, previous term ar square multiplied with common ratio, then a4 is equals to ar cube. So in this way you can proceed for the term. If you observe, it is 4, it is 3, it is 3, it is 2, value is reduced by 1. So an is equals to ar to power n minus 1. This is the formula for nth term of n geometrical progressions. Now see this common ratio r, it having a general formula, r is equals to a of n upon a of n minus 1. See this one, it is 2, it is 1. So whatever the number here, it should be reduced by 1. Therefore general formula for r is an upon a of n minus 1. It is the formula for the nth term. Similarly, if someone say find out the sum of the sequence a plus ar square up to ar to power n minus 1. In this case, we have a formula for sum of GP a, it is 1 minus r to power n upon 1 minus r, when your common ratio is less than 1, and s is equals to a r to power n minus 1 upon r minus 1 if your common ratio is greater than 1. And there is a one more formula for infinite number of terms. Means n term is not given, s is like that, a plus ar square and so on. The sequence is given to you, but it contain infinite terms. In that case, s infinity is equals to having a formula of a upon 1 minus r, and value of r is always less than 1. So this is the formula for geometrical progression. It is the formula for nth term of the GP. These two formula for Sn of the GP, it is called Sn of GP, and it is called S infinity of the GP, a upon 1 minus r. Now let us discuss one question. See this one. A sequence is given to you. First of all, if you observe in this sequence, a is equals to 5 by 2. Now find out the common ratio r, that is equals to 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 2. Divide. So 5 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. It is 1 by 2. Or you can confirm third term, 5 by 8 divided by 5 by 4. Second term divided by first term, or third term divided by second term. You observe 5 get cancel, it is 2, so it is 1 by 2. In both the cases you observe the common ratio is same, so we can say the sequence is in GP. Now he asked for 20th term, A20. A20 is A r to power 19. A is equals to 5 by 2 r 1 by 2 to power 19, or 5 by 2 1 by 2 to power 19. It is equals to 5 upon 2 to power 20. Now you can simplify 2 to power 20, that is 1024 into 1024. You will get the answer. See this one. It is 20, it is 19, always reduce by 1. The same process for the AP. In case of AP we reduce the number by 1, and in case of this we reduce the power by 1. Now in the similar question he asked about S10, find the sum of 10 terms. Now A, that is sum of 10 term A, which formula we apply? The value of R is 1 by 2, that is less than 1. In that case we apply this formula, A into 1 minus R to power n upon 1 minus R. Now see S10, A 5 by 2, 1 minus 1 upon 2 to power n. N is the number of term, that is equals to 10 upon 1 minus 1 by 2. It is 5 by 2, 1 minus 1 upon 2 to power 10, 1024 upon 1 by 2. This 2 get cancelled, or your answer is 5 into 1024 minus 1 upon 1024. 5 into 1023 upon 1024. This is your answer for the particular term, or find the sum of the